Snapchat has finally made it possible for you to change your username. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Snapchat username. Now let's get started. To change your Snapchat username, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Username. Now tap Change Username. Tap Continue. Type in the username you'd like to switch to. If your desired username is available, you'll see a check mark beside it. If it isn't, you'll see an error that this username is already taken. Note that you can only change your Snapchat username once per year, so make sure you like the new username you're changing to before moving on. When you've found a new username that you like that isn't already taken, tap Next. To confirm this change, enter your Snapchat password. Then tap Confirm. To finalize your username change, tap Confirm. Once that's complete, your username has been changed, and you can go back to using Snapchat under your new username. That's all it takes to change your Snapchat username. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.